Hello everyone, welcome to Explore More and Learn. I hope you all are taking very good care of yourself. Today's video is about a grammatical error and it's very common. So I'll give you two sentences and you have to select the correct one. Alright, so here are the two sentences. I want to listen old songs. Another sentence is I want to listen to old songs. Now you have to tell me which one is correct. First one, I want to listen old songs, or the second one, I want to listen to old songs. I hope you have chosen your answer. Now I'll tell you which one is correct. So the correct sentence is I want to listen to old songs. Now I'll explain you. We always use to after listen when it is followed by an object. Got it? We always use to after listen when it is followed by an object. For example, listen to me. Here we have an object. Another example, listen to my lectures carefully. Here too we have an object. And in the previous sentence, we had an object. I want to listen to old songs. That's why we use to after listen. But we don't use to after listen when it is not followed by an object. Okay? For example, listen. Can you follow me? Here we are not having any object after listen. Okay, so listen is not followed by an object. That's why you can use listen as it is. Listen, can you follow me? This music is so soft. I want to listen. So here also, listen is not followed by an object. That's why we can use listen as it is. Remember, we use listen when we are hearing something very carefully, when we are actively listening to something. In that case, we use listen. I hope you have got it. You have understood this lesson. Thank you for watching this. Don't forget to subscribe this channel if you are new to this channel and press the bell icon so that you may get notification for the next video. If you have liked it, press like. Don't forget to share. Thank you for watching it.